Hi Miss, I'm Cole. So today I'm going to talk about my long video assignment. The first question is four people are chosen from a group of seven people. Describe a situation of this case that involves permutations and combinations. So the first answer is here. Four students from seven students will go to room 1, room 2, room 3, and room 4 to clean up respectively. Um, because there are seven people, we need to pick up four people from the middle, and we need to know how many different sequences it has. So we use permutation. Uh, so the answer is 7p4 is equal to 840. And the second answer is four students were randomly selected from seven students to clean the classroom together. Because there are seven people, but in this case by combination, which means you only need to choose. You don't need to order. So the answer is 7c4 is equal to 35. And number 2 question is to describe two everyday situation in which items are chosen and the order is sections does not matter. My answer is if a teacher want to check students' homework, whether it's finished, the students which choose from the group will be combination. Suppose a teacher wants to check the assignments among a group of students. In this case, you should use a combination since the selected students do not need to be in any order. And another answer is if a boss wants to give a bonus to some staff, the staff which choose from the company will be a combination. It's also because you don't need to select your staffs in order, so can use a combination. And the next question. The question asks for a 9-digit code with a vowel, and the letter used in the 9-digit code cannot be repeated. Vowels and they can be both capitalized and lowercase, so there are 10 possibilities. Second, because we have one vowel and there are only 8 digits left without vowels. There are still 42 letters left, so the answer is 42pa and multiply by 10. And the next question. Since this problem only requires select not order, this problem can be solved by a combination from this question. From the questions we can know that there are 7 questions in part A and 5 questions in part B. When we choose, we must ensure that we choose at least 3 questions in each part. So the answer is 7C5 multiplies 5C3 plus 7C4 multiply 5C4 plus 7C5 multiply 5C5 is equal to 420. And the last question is here. My answer is the one in order has a great number of possibility because as we know the combination needs to choose something from a group and the permutation needs to make a arrangement after we choose something from the group. We can also tell from the formula NPR is equal to NCR multiply R multiply R factorial because the answer to this question is that order is more likely than direct selection because we know from the definitions of permutation and combination. The combination only requires selecting some items from a group, but permutation requires ordering them at the same time after selection. Thank you for listening.